Alright, what's up everybody? Justin here, and today I'm going to be putting together this Yardmax 5-ton electric log splitter. And then that way we can get all this split and this over here. Alright, so first I'm going to open up the box, take it all apart, and then we'll get to it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Got a whole bunch of interesting videos. I do all sorts of stuff. Like always, dogs are out here. T, do you think you need a bigger chair? No comment? Alright, it's got everything out of the box. Let me show you all what it comes with. So you got your, your main machine log tray. There's all the parts for your supports. Comes with a hardware kit. And of course you got your manual, your registration, even a thing for a free Yardmax hat. And then if you have any problems, it gives you the number to call. Alright, for step one, you want to attach your center support. So you're going to need 2 of the MX85 screws and 2 of the MB100s. And you'll see they're all labeled in your hardware packet. You can see I got everything stretched out right there. You're going to need those 2 pieces, this little U bracket here with your wheel supports. Alright, see that's step 1 assembled. And don't tighten everything up until the very end, just until you're ready. So that's what your first step will look like. Now you want to add the wheels. Okay, you got your bolts, you got your end caps. It'll be 2 washers and then 2 of these, I forget what they're called, but those will fit around the outside to hold your wheels in place. They're like lock washers or whatever. It's a little tricky. Sometimes it's easier with 2 people, but put your bolt through there, that there. Now here's the tricky part. You take your washer, you gotta set it over top. Now clip this thing on there. Last time I did it, I bashed my hands all apart. So I'm going to try some vice grips this time. Maybe get a better hold on it. Alright, see there? See, there's a little groove. Just got to clip it onto. There we go. Alright. See. But that's how it's done. So now you just take your end cap, pop it on there.
Look at that.
Oh. Bam. Wheels. Okay, now that I have that assembled, I'll tighten everything up. Okay, moving on to step 3. And you see, it's pretty convenient. The hardware kit's got each step labeled out for you. Like that's what you need for step 1. Step 2, which is putting on the wheels. We already did that. Now we're on to step 3, and that's going to be your front support. So you can see there. Putting your support together. And there is step 3. I just hope I put these on the right way. But we'll find out in a second. Alright, next step 4 is telling us to take out these screws here. Okay, next we gotta put all the supports in. So I got pick this thing up and you still might have to push it together. Enough force. All right, just make sure you put all your supports together and it should fit together nice and easy. Here we go, got it together. Last step is we put on a log tray and then we'll fire it up, see how it works. There she is with the table attached. That is your bleed screw. So you just want to loosen that before starting. Make sure you read all the directions before using it. Alright, fired it up, splitting a second log. What in the hell is that thing? It's obviously larva from something, but I think it's one of them wood beetles. What? That is extra weird. Touch it. Just touch it. Okay, who's that? So it's nice because it is two-handed operation. So for safety, press and hold the green button, and then there's your sliding right here. And it just returns to its starting position. Look at this little critter. Look at that. Come down in there. If anybody wants to tell me what that is, go ahead, comment below. No idea. It's moving. Obviously some kind of worm or larva, but I mean it's pretty big and fucking weird looking. There he is.
Coming out.
Get them. They don't bite.
He's scared.
Alright everybody, and that is the assembly and a quick review of the Yardmax 5-ton electric log splitter. Hope this helps, and see you again soon. Subscribe, thumbs up, check back, Short and Cocky Productions, and see y'all again soon.